Alright, so I asked and you guys told me what you wanted. So more frequent videos. Maybe I didn't really heavily edit my videos anyway, but a little bit less editing and just kind of what's going on with the build. So y'all saw me yesterday actually, strip the head down, got the intake off, got the cams out, rockers out. I'm going to be taking this down to my local machine shop. I don't know if he wants me to put his name out there or not. I'll ask him when he gets there. If not, then you won't see it. If he doesn't mind, then you might see it. So yeah, I'm gonna go throw this thing in the truck. Got the head in the car. Yeah, it doesn't want to buckle up, but you know, buckle up for safety. Got Jenny right there. What are you doing, Jenny, huh? There you go. There you go. Drop the head off and make some horsepower, make some dog power. Alright, let's roll out. Alright, so if you can't see it in the background, just leaving CarQuest, got me a set of valve stem seals, and oddly enough, they all come like individually packaged. Isn't that weird? Like all, I don't know, I thought it was weird. And there it is, CHS Machine Shop. Anybody local to the Raleigh, North Carolina area, George is the owner over here. Awesome guy. He does awesome work. He didn't really care to be recorded, so you know what, I respect that. I did ask him if I could give him a little shout out on the channel, and he said yeah, that's sure, but or that's fine. So as we're back, it's a new day, and I'm going to go take Peyton's car for a ride. I drove it home last night, and because he wanted me to check it out. It's doing something weird, he said. He said the air fuels don't seem right. But he said sometimes it feels like it's not getting fuel, maybe. Right now it's idling at like 17, so a little on the lean side, but well, let's see how it drives. He said it doesn't really get into boost very well, so be careful with it. Let's go. So yeah, I don't know what exactly is going on with the car. Just I'll show you how cruising, the air fuel kind of jumps around all over the place, and let me get around this turn. When you're accelerating, I can feel it like kind of choppy, if that makes sense. Like I'm not even going that fast. Let me get into fourth. And now the biggest thing that's making me like, you know, something's definitely off is, I don't know if you can see the air fuel right now, but I'm gonna get into a little bit of boost and watch it just go straight lean. I'm gonna let out. I don't even want to mess with it like that, but watch again. Yeah, see, it goes straight lean. Here's the boost gauge. And it's just going bonk lean. So I don't want to tear anything up. It definitely he was talking about maybe having a boost leak. It definitely feels like it has a boost leak because it gets up to start making boost, and then it kind of just like stays like 1 or 2 psi. So it's probably got a boost leak, but bigger than that, it's got a the tune needs to be gone over. I think that probably has to do with the fuel pump dying. So I already had we had ordered in a big fuel pump for him. I think it was a 320 liter per hour, the Kimso, the same one I got in my car. We're gonna put that in here and then go back and get a retune, maybe turn it up a little bit, and yeah, so I think that's all this car needs. But let me get back home before this one leaves me stranded, because I don't know, it just doesn't feel right. So if any of y'all have any other recommendations of stuff to check, please let me know. It runs cool, it starts easy. I did notice whenever you downshift and just like let it engine brake down, it pops, like lean pops. So that tells me it's like everything's running lean, I think, from my limited knowledge. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.